Are you curious about the latest buzz in Hollywood? Well, we've got a scoop that has everyone talking. As a lover of all things entertainment, I'm thrilled to share with you the budding friendship between two legendary actors, Meryl Streep and Martin Short. You might know Meryl Streep from her iconic roles in films such as Sophie's Choice and The Devil Wears Prada. Meanwhile, Martin Short has made us laugh for decades without in movies like Three Amigos and Father of the Bride. These two talented individuals recently starred together in the popular TV show Only Murders in the Building. At the season 4 premiere party, Meryl Streep and Martin Short turned heads when they walked hand in hand, sparking speculation among fans. Could there be something more between these two, the incredible stars? Only time will tell. This sighting comes just months after rumors circulated during the Golden Globe Awards that Meryl Streep and Martin Short were romantically involved. However, representatives quickly shut down those whispers, claiming they were simply good friends. Interestingly enough, Meryl Streep only recently ended her 45-year marriage to Dom Gummer last year, while Martin Short lost his wife Nancy Dahlman back in 2010 due to ovarian cancer, with both now being single. Could sparks fly off screen too? And one thing's certain, their bond seems stronger than ever. During a for-you consideration event, Martin Short gushed about how excited he was to work alongside Meryl Streep and local courts. And it's simply enough, she was still at a super fame and favored for a network. It still happens that she had a grand couple, and so keep your eyes peeled for updates on this fascinating duo. Whether or not they become more than friends remains to be seen. But either way, their genuine affection towards each other makes for quite the heartwarming tale. And remember, folks, age is just a number when it comes to finding true companionship. Here's hoping this pair continues to grace our screens and inspire us with their same timeless talents. With that said, thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, hit that like button, and stay tuned for more juicy celebrity stories. Oh, and if you see Meryl and Martin holding hands again, give me a shout out.